Good afternoon, dear student. Today we will discuss about the development. Yesterday we have discussed development at the same time will be destructive for others. So yesterday we have discussed the different meaning of the development. At the same time, a development for a student may be score a good marks in annual exam. Any one person to find the job, it is the development goal. For anyone to purchase the two or four wheeler or any automobiles, it is the development goal. So these are the development goal we have discussed. And another one, what are the different sources? How do we calculate the development? That is the income, per capita income. Because through the average income, we can purchase the such resources on the basis of our income. What are income sources? What are the our earning? हमारी income क्या है? Salary क्या है? Pocket money क्या है? उस बेस पे we can purchase the facility. तो income we have discussed. Income is per capita income. उसमें भी there was the one limitation कि income should be equal distributed inside the nation. ठीक है, कुछ पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी और मे बी द लेस डेवलप कुछ ऐसे मे बी पॉसिबिलिटी, बट नॉट अनइक्वल. ऐसा नहीं है 80-20% का रेशो है कि 80% रिसोर्सेज 20% पॉपुलेशन के पास है, जैसा कि पॉपुलेशन के अंदर है. वर्ल्ड की 90% पॉपुलेशन 30% लैंड एरिया पे रहती है, एंड 60% पॉपुलेशन आर लिविंग इन 10 कंट्रीज ओनली. दैट इज द अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए रिसो इनकम का. तो दिस आर द लिमिटेशन वी हैव डिस्कस यस्टरडे कि पर कैपिटा इनकम सेम आ रही है आफ्टर देयर इज द अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम इनसाइड नेशन. Apart from the income, there are different factors which also play the important role for development. Everything we can't purchase through the money. Good environment, healthy environment, pollution-free environment, education for our children, may be possibility money से हम purchase कर सकते हैं ये factor को. And एपिडेमिक फ्री लाइक ए डिजीज, जैसे कि भी कोविड-19 है, मनी होने के बाद भी हम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे. पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता. ओके, मनी इज नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर ऑल द रिसोर्सेज. देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर लाइक योर लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी रेट. किसी भी जगह आपके जिंदा रहने की जो एवरेज एज है, इट इज आल्सो प्ले द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. So these are the factors apart from income which play the important role in our life. We have discussed yesterday, and today we will discuss about public facilities. Public facilities we have discussed, like a money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services, and like a good healthy life we can't purchase. जैसे मैं healthy रहूं ये मैं purchase नहीं कर सकता. It depend on the my environment, whatever where I am living, whatever eatable item, what are the different nutrition or eatable item I am getting, what type of water I am taking inside my area. These are the different factors which play the important role for a such facilities. So these are income is not completely adequate indicators for development. पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता बताते लाइफ में. Money is not sufficient for all development. For a development, money is play the important role, but it's not a sufficient for all development. And that citizens are able to use. Citizens maybe use the money for their development, but there are many things which also depend on the development. Development also depend on that. Not okay. And money cannot buy the pollution-free environment. Yes, money can't purchase the pollution-free environment, and ensure that you get the proper medicine facilities or not. So these are the public facilities which may be not available through the money only. Next one is the sustainable development. In this chapter, that is the important topic is given, sustainable development. Many times 5 marks question आता है. Sustainable development, in simple sentence we can say sustainable development without wasting the resources, without disturbing the nature, when we use natural resources in proper way by conserving the resources. That is sustainable development. Sustainable development means that we use resources, those should be need for our development only. Without, suppose resources also property of a coming generation, जो next generation आएगी वो without resources development नहीं कर सकते. तो we should be minimize the wastage of resources. Wastage जो है resources का वो minimize करना. just a wait here. That is known as the sustainable development. So what are the principles are given in your book? You are studying that topic in class 8 also. Development should be take place but without harming environment, without the disturbing environment, without harming. Suppose through the development we are creating the pollution, we are creating the water pollution, noise pollution, we are creating global warming, we are leaving the chlorofluorocarbon, we are damaging the ozone layer. So this is not a development. Okay. And groundwater under serious threat for our problem, today's problem. And we should be conserve our water resources. Groundwater is an example of renewable resources. So what we should be do for a sustainable development, we should be utilize a common topic. There it is the common topic. You know all the things about it. I know. We should be use renewable resources in place of non-renewable, like solar energy which must be utilized in solar energy, windmill, but it is not available everywhere. So we should be, when we are leaving the houses, when we are outside the home, so we should be of the fan, tube light, television light. तो through this today we are saving the energy. It is the production. आज जो हम एनर्जी को सेव करते हैं बेटा, ये कल के लिए प्रोडक्शन है जो हम यूटिलाइज करेंगे. तो डेट इज नोन एज द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज ए न्यू area where the knowledge without the knowledge and which scientists, economists, philosophers and other social scientists are working together for a sustainable development. Last topic is Human Development Index. It is one index is given in your book. Apart from the per capita income, there are different factors which also play the important role for a development, like a infant mortality rate, life expectancy rate. These factors also play the important role. So there are three factors given. Life expectancy rate. Life expectancy is defined as the average number of years that newborn could be expect of the live or she will pass through the life subject age specific and mortality rates of the given period. यानी न्यूबॉर्न बेबी कितने इयर्स तक जिंदा रह सकता है, दैट इज नोन एज द लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी रेट. Okay. Gross enrollment ratio is the determined by the number of students who are attending the school above the 7 years. Number of children, that is known as the net attendance ratio. So one is the life expectancy rate, net attendance ratio, one factor, or one is the per capita income. Per capita income. These three factors divided by three. Through this, what we can find out? We can find out the Human Development Index. So these are the different factors which also play the important role for development apart from the money or income. So money is not sufficient for development, and other factors also play the important role. And there are different countries, their per capita income less than the our country, but they are good. They have the good facilities in life expectancy rate, net attendance ratio is good in such countries. Per capita income is less, like Sri Lanka. So there are different factors which also play the important role in development. तो इस चैप्टर में ये मैसेज है दिया कि डेवलपमेंट